In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start receiving contact notifications in your HubSpot activity feed in real time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head straight to the HubSpot homepage. Once there, you should see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and if you haven't already, enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Now, once you're comfortably logged into the HubSpot dashboard, which is essentially your home within the platform, look for the settings icon. This might be located in the top navigation bar, typically resembling a gear or cog, which is quite standard in many software interfaces to symbolize settings and preferences. Once you've located and clicked on settings, you'll be ushered into a new world of options where you can tailor many aspects of your HubSpot experience. For today, our focus is on notifications. On the left sidebar, you will see the option labeled Notifications. Click on it to proceed. Now that we're in the notifications area, you have access to a plethora of alert options. What we want to do is zero in on the specific type of notification that will keep you up to date with real-time contact interactions. Look for the option that says website visits. This is key. Clicking on website visits takes you to more nuanced settings specifically for web-related contact activities. Within the website visits notification settings, you'll see a selection for real-time alert in your activity feed. Enabling this feature is crucial since it allows you to receive instant notifications whenever there's a new interaction or visit to your website from a contact. This option is vital for staying immediate and proactive in your response strategies, allowing you to engage potential customers exactly when they're showing interest. Choosing to turn on real-time alerts is a strategic choice, essentially setting you up to always be a step ahead. With real-time alerts, you can seize opportunities as soon as they arise, turning potential leads into valuable customer interactions swiftly. And voila, you've just set up real-time contact notifications in your HubSpot activity feed. Keep in mind, configuring notifications in this way is a game changer for keeping your workflow efficient and responsive, ensuring that you never miss a beat when it comes to engaging with your contacts. Remember that these alerts are more than just notifications. They're opportunities to connect, engage, and grow your business consistently. Thank you for tuning in, and now you're all set to stay in the loop with every crucial contact interaction in HubSpot. Feel free to explore other notification options if you wish to customize your experience even further. Happy engaging!